Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you some common troubleshooting steps that you can use in in a case where the chatbot is not responding to the customer's query. So let's take an example. You have seen that your chatbot has stopped responding. What are the few things that you can check from your side? First of all, check the subscription on your account. Click the subscription panel on the left hand side, go to current plan, and over here you will be able to see the consumption of your account. For example, messages consumption, WhatsApp messages consumption, and the AI messages consumption. So if any of these limits has been exhausted, you will see a banner over here that the limits has been exhausted. You need to either purchase an add-on or upgrade your account. First thing is this. Second is, now you have to check in case you are using the AI in your chat flow. So in order to use the AI, the most important thing is that you do not have to apply end chat over here. If you apply end chat and you have put query to one or anything, let's take an example, you are only using this component in a chat flow and you have put end chat. So this way the AI might not work if you have not limited to the question. Third, next thing that you can check in the case of AI, that if you have enough AI messages on the account. If you are not using the AI messages, make sure that you have connected the correct LLM provider in the configuration part. So you can also check the flow, like this is the flow that you have connected. And for example, I disconnected from here. So I will receive this message, but it is not connected to my next question, so it will stop here. The flow will stop here. So this is something that you have to check, that the whole flow is not disconnected from anywhere. It is connected as per your configuration. And in case if you are using any sort of social media chatbots like Instagram, Facebook, or Telegram or WhatsApp also, make sure that all the configuration are done correctly. In case if you are facing any issue, make sure to reconnect it once and then try to test it. These are some things that you can check. Next thing that you can check from your side is the triggers in case of a particular chat bot. For example, you have set a trigger to start a conversation or to have a live chat. Make sure the trigger word is matching the trigger word that you have set in the settings. Like over here, you can see in the trigger, you will be able to, you need to match exact what is there. And in case if it is still not working, just try in the incognito tab or different browsers once. Maybe there is a cache issue or a browsing issue. So just try clearing out that and check. And in case if you still face any issue, please, before escalating it to the team internally, take a screenshot, record a proper video of it and share it to the team at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with the same. So these are some common things that you can check on your end in case your chatbot is not responding. That's all about this video. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin.